Hello and welcome to our tutorial on labels. We're going to teach you how to use labels quickly to organize your social media posts effectively. Let's get started. The easiest way to create labels is while creating a post. Locate the Labels widget and simply type the name of your new label, then press Enter. The label will be automatically created. If you already have some existing labels, type the name of such label in the Labels widget. Kontentino will automatically suggest the matching labels. Select one or multiple based on your needs. Do you need to manage your labels? Editing their names or changing colors can be done through Settings. Select the Manage Labels option in the Labels widget and make the adjustments. Labeled posts are great for navigating through your content plans easily. Open Filters, hover over labels, and select the ones you'd like to see in your calendar or your other view. In the calendar view, there is a shortcut located on the right side, just above your calendar. Click on the specific labels to activate the filter. To remove the selection, use the Clear All Filters feature. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our customer support. We'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and enjoy the labeling.